guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how I make my simple delicious meal. So we have some onions, then we'll put some garlic, then we'll put some dhania or coriander, then tomatoes, and of course we'll have our oil and 2 spices, the chicken masala and the beef no cube, and of course we have the kamande and some ugali. We start by putting some fat in the pot and on medium heat. So on this video, I'm cooking a portion for 3 people. Let the fat melt, then we add the onions. Allow the onions to saute, then add the garlic. Stir and let the garlic cook till brown. Then add the coriander stalks. Spare the leaves for the garnish in the last step. After a minute or so, still on medium heat, add the tomatoes and the spices. I advise not to put in a lot of tomatoes as it makes the taste too acidic. In my case, I'm using 1 tomato for 3 people. We have the beef nor and the chicken masala. Put in small portions to avoid over-flavoring the meal. Stir in the spices. Then cover for a second, still on low heat. Then again we add some water and then cover again. This is to allow the tomatoes to cook. Come back, recheck if all the ingredients are well mixed. This looks good and we can proceed to the next step. At this stage, we now add the 2 cups of the pre-boiled cereals. And since mine wasn't fully thawed, I will cover for a minute. After, I'll come back and give it a stir. Continue to mix in so that the cereals can get the flavor. I like to mix in dengu and kamande when I'm doing the pre-boiling. I find it very tasty. Once you do the mixing, cover it for about 1 minute or so and let the flavor continue to soak into the cereals. Once you come back, put a glass of water and continue to mix. I advise you still keep the medium heat so that it can give it a good simmer. Once you come back, this is the final stage. Put in the coriander leaves and give it a mix. Mix it well so that the leaves now can add more flavor. There we go. Let's continue to mix. Now we will do the skimming. This helps in giving a clarity of the flavor. Remove as much as you can and as much as you can see. Then give it another mix. The food is ready. Turn off the heat and cover it and let it settle for 5 or so minutes. I will proceed and make the ugali, however I will not show you the complete video. Today I want to show you how to make the ugali balls using the serving spoon. Here they are. Here is our meal and I've garnished it with basil leaves. The food is ready and I hope you will try this simple meal. Thank you and look out for the next video.